Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you Pictory AI, a powerful tool that lets you quickly and easily create top-quality videos. Even better, I'll show you how to save 20% off any Pictory plan using my discount code RHS20. This code gives you a continuous 20% discount for the lifetime of your Pictory subscription. To get started, click the link in the description below. This will bring you to the sign-up screen where you can click the button to start a free trial. Simply enter your name, email, and password. No credit card required for this step. Pictory will send a verification code to your email. Once you enter this code, you'll arrive at the Pictory homepage where you'll notice your free trial has been activated in the corner. To apply the discount code, click the Upgrade button to view the different subscription plans. You'll see annual plans, but monthly options are available for just a few dollars more. All plans include access to Storyblocks, one of the top video asset libraries available today. Storyblocks alone normally cost around $30 per month, making the Pictory starter plan at $199 per year an excellent value. If you want to create even more videos and access hyper-realistic voices from 11 Labs, you might prefer the professional plan. Just hit the Buy Now button, type in the coupon code RHS20, and hit Apply. You'll instantly see the discount applied, saving you over $93. This same discount will automatically apply whenever your plan renews. Pictory includes high-quality AI voice narration, subtitles, captions, and the ability to instantly resize your content for YouTube, vertical shorts, and other social media platforms. Plus, you'll gain access to over 3 million high-quality video clips and images from Storyblocks, royalty-free. This alone provides tremendous value since a Storyblocks subscription normally costs about $30 a month. Click the link in the description below and use code RHS20 when you check out to start creating amazing videos while saving 20% for life. Thanks for watching.